Today, we're tackling a small plumbing repair that can save you a lot of money, fixing a dripping faucet. That drip, drip, drip might seem small, but it can waste gallons of water every week, and that's money straight out of your pocket. So let's get this fixed. Materials and tools needed. Replacement faucet cartridge, Peerless/Delta compatible or universal. Flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Channel lock pliers. Adjustable wrench, crescent wrench. Needle nose pliers. Small rag or towel. Plumber's silicone grease. Step 1. Identify the problem. My faucet is a Peerless, but this method works on Delta, Peerless, and similar faucets since many use the same style of cartridge and seat/springs. Here's how I figured out which side was leaking. Turn off just the hot side shutoff valve and check. If it still drips, it's the cold side. In my case, the drip stopped after shutting the hot, so the hot side cartridge is the problem. Step 2. Shut off the water. If you have isolation valves under the sink, turn them clockwise to shut off both hot and cold. If you don't have shutoffs, you'll need to turn off water at the main. Step 3. Remove the handle. First, pull the sink stopper closed or place a rag in the drain so you don't lose small parts. Pry off the decorative cap on top of the handle. Underneath, you'll see a Phillips screw. Remove it, then lift the handle straight off. Sometimes you need to tilt it slightly forward before pulling it up. Step 4. Remove the cartridge. You'll see a retaining nut holding the cartridge in place. Loosen it with pliers or an adjustable wrench. Pull the cartridge straight out. If it's stuck, gently use pliers to wiggle it free. Take note of its orientation. The half-moon tab on the cartridge should face the spout. Snapping a quick picture helps you reinstall it correctly. Step 5. Check the seats and springs. Inside the valve body, you'll find a small spring and rubber seat grommet. Use needle nose pliers to carefully pull them out. The spring is wider at one end. The wide end goes down, narrow end up. The rubber seat fits over the spring. These tiny parts are often the real cause of the drip. You can replace just these with a cheap Delta/Peerless repair kit, a few dollars, instead of the full cartridge. Step 6. Install new parts. I picked up a universal repair kit that works with Delta, Peerless, and similar faucets. It comes with cartridges, seats, springs, and O-rings. Before installing, apply a little plumber's silicone grease to the O-rings and rubber parts. This helps them seat properly and last longer. Now install. Drop the spring into the port, wide end down. Slide the rubber seat over it. Press gently until it's snug. Insert the new cartridge, aligning the tab correctly. Reinstall the retaining nut snugly, don't over-tighten. Put the handle back on and secure with the screw. Step 7. Test the faucet. Slowly turn the water back on. Check for leaks around the handle and spout. Test open/close. The drip should be gone. Finally, reinstall the aerator on the spout if you removed it. That's it. Your faucet is fixed, and you just saved yourself the cost of a plumber call. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY plumbing and home repair projects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.